Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and we've kind of, we had this is CPI day, big move down, big move up, both rejected, and we kind of find ourselves we find ourselves jammed in the pre-CPI range. We're up 1.4% in Globex. Trade around 3650. We're actually, they based in and around the new weekly pivot 3610.75 overnight. But you can see I could extend the rectangle right back over, and we find ourselves here. So we're still fighting over this price area. We are still basically fighting over this price area between 3670 and 3570. That's been the deal. So Globex low, where is it? 35.90 half. So far, Globex high, 36.50 half. So look, plenty of volatility, plenty of range, plenty of elbow room to get trades done. The bigger issue is you still have this low down at 35.02, and the reversal stalled and stayed stalled multiple occasions up at the 20-day. 20-day is now down in and around 36.98-ish. So the interesting thing for me over the course of the week is, do we close above the 20, below the weekly, or do we kind of find a new area here to just kind of bounce around on either side? This is the 9-day here. There's a lot of, it's not uncertainty, but what it is, the best way I would describe it is you don't have any follow through at the edges of these areas. You have false breakdowns. There's your 35.02. You have false breakouts. There's your little moves above the daily midband, and it just kind of falls back in between. And you start to think, and look, it's October. We've got midterms in less than a month. So there's other unknown areas and things that are going to start to kind of shelf and line up and going to send this thing into the vol won't go away. It'll stay very two-sided and very range-bound, a very wide range. But as far as the tape making really big decisions, that may have to wait till after the first Tuesday in October. That's where we are now. So I'm expecting a choppy, whippy type open. I don't think I'm really going out on a limb there. And like I said, as far as the entire week is concerned, can the bears close below weekly pivot? Can the bulls close above the 20-day, the daily mid-band, 20-day simple moving average up there? That 20-day simple moving average will continue to head lower as a function of time, as it sheds higher prices from 20 days ago. So there's certain to be some interaction this week. The question is that interaction going to continue to be resistance? So not a lot. I don't have a lot for you guys today. Just understand that if you're looking for the gigantic next leg, unless there's some other piece of news that's going to say, look, we can't wait for the elections, we got to go, we could very well be waiting for a couple of weeks for this thing to sort itself out. But it'll sort itself out in a wide enough range that not really concerned about getting our handles done. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow.